going on, guys? How's everybody doing tonight? So as you can see, cryptos are just going crazy right now. We have Ethereum over $3,000. Gonna show you guys Ethereum. Ethereum is literally just going straight up. It's not stopping. This is my favorite investment. We got Bitcoin, 58,000, doing its thing. We got VeChain, 22 cents again. It's great to see VeChain at these levels. And we have Dogecoin, looking very bullish. Dogecoin is doing its thing. And are we going to test all-time highs again tonight? That is the question. I certainly think that this is going to be happening. That we could potentially come up to test the 42-cent level of resistance. But we did not successfully break the 40-cent level of resistance. No, we did not break this, but we came up and tested it. We're going to be doing some Q&A, but it looks like we are forming another cup and handle again. This thing continues to form cup and handles, but we must break the neckline. The neckline is the level of resistance, which is approximately 40 cents, 41 cents. If we can come up and hit these levels and break past it, it would be a very bullish sign. Do you guys think we will break past this level of resistance tonight? What about this coming week? And make sure you guys go ahead and smash that like button. I'd appreciate it. But that is what is going on with Dogecoin. We are just continuing to pump, and congratulations to all of those of you who bought the dip right here. That's awesome. Give me 1 second. Let me get this for you guys. Where are you guys from tonight? Where's everybody from? I am from Florida. So, coming into the chat right here, I'm gonna post this. Let me get this video stream real quick, guys. I'm gonna post it in the Patreon, so the Patreon members know. Where are you guys from tonight? Where's everybody? There we go. But yeah, I wouldn't recommend buying at this level. We are too high. If you had the opportunity to buy at like 37 cents, that might have been an opportunity to buy a little bit. But we are too high to get in at these levels. I post this. All right, I just had to post something. So let's go ahead and get back to the charting. So look, we are forming a cup and handle, and this is a very bullish scenario. You know, we came up twice to this level here. Actually, we came up 3 times. So it's pretty interesting to see. But what you can see, what you can infer is if we've come up to a level 3 times and we've tried to break past it, we're coming back again to see if we can break past and open this door. And generally, when a door is attempted multiple times over and over again, eventually it is going to budge. Like if you kick on a wooden door, eventually the door is going to bust open because it is not strong enough to continue resisting all of these bulls right here. So that is what it is looking like in the relative near term. Now, it is very common on Sundays for cryptos to dump, and it is not happening. The Asia markets are going to start opening up here pretty soon. We get the futures markets opening, and cryptos are either going to go crazy and go to the moon, or they are going to dump a little bit. But the way it is looking, it's 10 p.m. Eastern time. And if cryptos are continuing to pump at 10 p.m. Eastern time, that generally means that tomorrow and this week could potentially be very, very bullish. What do you guys think? Do you guys think we're going to be very bullish continuing this week? Because look, not only is Dogecoin pumping because of hype and Saturday Night Live, but the entire crypto market is on fire. The entire crypto market is on fire. Look at Ethereum. This thing is literally going straight up. I called out in my Patreon group many, many times for you guys to buy Ethereum. And a lot of you guys have bought Ethereum very cheap because I've been calling it out for a very long time. Ethereum is going to go to 20 to 30,000 by the end of the year. And make sure you guys go ahead and hit the like button and check out that link that I have posted in the chat. It is where I put my buy and sell alerts, when to buy cryptos, when to sell them. It is my Patreon. I offer a bunch of services. I can help you guys get your portfolios on track with cryptos. I do hour lessons. I can teach you guys how to chart like I do. But yeah, guys, Ethereum is looking awesome. Bitcoin is looking incredible. Let's look at the total market cap for cryptos. I should have the chart here. The total market cap is just absolutely going crazy. Excluding Bitcoin, we're at 1.11 trillion. So the total crypto market cap with Bitcoin included is over $2 trillion. That is a number that we recently touched. But this number continues to go up and up and up and up. The Bitcoin dominance. Look at this, guys. This is the Bitcoin dominance chart on a 4-hour chart. It is literally just going straight down. So generally what this means, and this is great for Dogecoin, by the way. Generally what this means is that these altcoins are going to continue to pump and that we are in altcoin season. When Bitcoin dominance is high, that means we're in Bitcoin season and Bitcoin will outperform these altcoins. But for the time being, the last couple of months, altcoins have been going on a tear, pretty much parabolic. So this is showing you basically the opposite chart of how the altcoins are performing. And look at Cardano 88. I made a call out for Cardano earlier today, and Cardano is looking incredibly bullish. I think Cardano is going to come up and test some levels of resistance that we have, but we have some levels of resistance that we must fight now. We need to break at least the $1.39 level. If we can break above this, would be very, very good for Cardano. Look at Ethereum Classic. We have the Binance Smart Chain. I told you guys about this a long time ago when it was really cheap in my Patreon group. We have XRP. Still looking very bullish. XLM. But let's go ahead and go back to the Doge chart. And we will do some Q&A. I'll answer some of your questions. And we will watch Doge live. You will watch Doge live take off to the moon. I'm pulling out a 1-minute chart so you guys can keep being excited. And we can see this thing play out live. But how is everybody doing tonight? We got 1,100 people in here. It's pretty cool. Make sure you guys go ahead and smash the like button. I truly appreciate it. Helps to support the channel. And if you guys have not subscribed already, make sure you guys subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss my time-sensitive videos. Let's see if we got any super chats. Your Patreon is badass by Juan Gonzalez. Thank you so much. Hope all is well. Thanks for all you do. Thank you very much. I would love for Doge to hit 50 cents tonight. Yeah, if you guys want a good platform to buy Dogecoin, you can check out my my link in the description for Webull. If you use my link, they will allow you to buy Doge on there. And also, they give you 2 free stocks worth up to $2,200. You can pretty much basically cash those stocks out immediately as soon as you open up the account, deposit $100, and buy Doge with it, or, you know, send it back to your bank account or Cash App, whatever you want. But yeah, guys, I just posted that link. That is the link to my Patreon, so you can get my buy and sell alerts for crypto. How do you guys think Doge will do tonight? And the volume is in the bottom of the chart. Let me see if I can fix that so it's a little bit more clear. Yeah. The volume is there apparently. Yeah, we're looking at the 1 minute chart, so the volume is on the bottom. But we're at 38.36 right now. And if you guys want to know when to buy and sell crypto, make sure you guys go ahead and join the Patreon. But go ahead and smash up the like button as we watch Dogecoin live. We're also going to check out some other cryptos and see if there's any other news for Dogecoin right now. You guys bear with me. I'm going to see if there's any good news, any tweets. See if there's anything going on Twitter. Elon Musk does like to come on around these times. No tweet by Elon Musk. Alright guys, so have you also heard that Amazon, they're currently potentially working on allowing people to buy and sell, or basically buy products with Dogecoin and other cryptocurrencies? That would do incredible things for Dogecoin. If Dogecoin were basically to just be where it's at now and have no catalyst or any good news, and the Amazon thing were to come out, that could potentially bring Dogecoin to $1. There's billions of people that are on Amazon every day. I think 2 billion people are like on Amazon. They buy from Amazon or shopping on Amazon every day. There's some crazy statistics. But what if a portion of these people, maybe 5%, maybe 10%, were using cryptocurrency? Maybe a lot of people, especially a lot of people who have a lot of Dogecoin. They bought Dogecoin at a penny. They bought Dogecoin at 5 cents. And they have a lot of money in Dogecoin, but they don't want to use their cash. They would probably use Dogecoin to maybe buy that Xbox or, you know, that thing on Amazon that they want. So I personally think that would bring Dogecoin above $1. If Amazon was doing that, allowing people to buy items with Dogecoin and other cryptos. But ladies and gentlemen, this is just the beginning of the usage of crypto and the adoption of crypto. This is just kind of starting this year. Last year, Bitcoin and Ethereum, they really started to take off. This year, some of these altcoins are becoming well known, like Dogecoin, and more people are starting to use these cryptos. More people are starting to accept it. And what this is doing is going to continue to rise the prices of crypto, because more people that use crypto, buy crypto, hold on to it. There's more money in crypto, which more people buy crypto, more people put their money in crypto, it will raise the prices substantially. So we are at an incredible spot in time and history, especially when it comes to Dogecoin and cryptocurrencies. This is just the beginning. We are basically like the pioneers or the pilgrims into the new way of finance. This is going to be the future, and we are in it in the beginning, right when it's pretty much worth pennies compared to where it will be, because Bitcoin is potentially going to be worth millions of dollars. We have Ethereum going to be worth hundreds of thousands of dollars in just a few years. That is what some analysts and big people are saying. What do you guys think? And we're looking at Dogecoin, by the way. Okay, so Edgar asks, asking for a friend, do you think Doge will dump before Saturday Night Live? Ladies and gentlemen, that is a great question. That is a great question. Personally, what I think is going to be happening is I think Dogecoin will dump before Saturday Night Live, because look at the historical data, and we saw Dogecoin on 420 dump. Dogecoin on 420 dump. So the expectancy of the day, the rumor is what will drive the price up. So I think that is potentially going to happen for Dogecoin. However, Dogecoin is acting very strange. Dogecoin is acting very differently, and it doesn't really sell off anymore. It just pretty much goes straight up. So I think I would like to take my profits before Saturday Night Live, but when Saturday Night Live is there, when Dogecoin gets on, there will be a lot of volatility. You guys, go ahead and hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. Hit the like button. I would really appreciate it. If you love Dogecoin, you want to see Dogecoin go to the moon, smash that like button. Follow my Instagram and check out my Patreon, where I post trade alerts when to buy and sell Bitcoin, buy and sell Dogecoin, Ethereum. I keep you guys updated every single day so that you guys can make the most money. PayPal will be adding Dogecoin at some point. PayPal said that they're going to be adding other cryptos. That is true. It's going to be happening with other platforms. Robinhood, they're going to be adding other cryptos. Femex, they just added a bunch of cryptos. So we have a bunch of other platforms. They're going to be continually adding more cryptos, like Coinbase. Coinbase is going to add Dogecoin. That will be huge. That will potentially bring Dogecoin to $1. Do I think that Doge Day will be different than 420? Definitely, because Dogecoin is already worth a lot more money, and the event it's not even a week to that event. But if you guys want to know when I'm going to be buying and selling, when to buy and sell these cryptos, check out the Patreon. You need to. It'll really benefit you. Eddie, what's up, man? Welcome to the team. And you guys can get in the Discord through the Patreon. We have like 2,200 members. Very active community. There's a college football player using his signing bonus into the NFL to invest in Dogecoin. That's crazy. Appreciate the super chat there, man. Where's everybody from in here? Yeah, generally expect a lot of volatility. I generally will expect a lot of volatility on Saturday, on next Saturday with Saturday Night Live and everything. We got Florida, Texas, Myrtle Beach, Thailand. Somebody's from the moon, India. Somebody said Florida again. Some guy said Warzone. Make sure you guys go hit that like button. I'd appreciate it. And if you guys love Dogecoin, say Doge to the moon in the chat. If you love Dogecoin, say Doge to the moon and hit that like button. Arlene, thank you so much for the super chat. Any thoughts on the BTT price for end of year? That's a great question. Let me go ahead and take a look at the BTT chart, because a lot of you guys were asking about it. Okay, that's the 1 minute. It's a little deceiving there. A lot of stuff going on in this chart. I'm gonna clear this out. It looks like BTT is kind of consolidating. It's basically trading sideways, but it is looking very bullish. So I think it's going to be consolidating for a while until there's another major breakout, just like Dogecoin. I think BTT will eventually come back up to here, form a cup and handle, and maybe break out to a higher level. That's what I think is going to happen to BTT. What do you guys think about that? So the end of the year prediction. End of year prediction for BTT. I'm sure you guys want to hear this. Let's see here. Let me do a daily chart. Hate when it does that. I mean, theoretically, we could definitely get to like, what, 2 cents? I don't think 2 cents would be out of the question for BTT, to be honest. What do you guys think? I'm gonna go ahead and zoom into this Dogecoin chart. And no spamming or you will be put in timeout. I'm using TradingView for my charting. I'll try to zoom it in a little bit for you guys. So what's your target price for Friday that you'd be comfortable to sell profits? That's a great question. Is Market Cypher a good question? I mean, is Market Cypher a good investment? Yes. So my target price for Friday, personally, my price target for Friday is, I think we could get close to 50 cents. But if people start buying this thing up like they did last time, 68 cents might be closer to the top. If we get up to near 68 cents, where I would sell, I'd be looking to sell around 50 cents, 53, 54. And then I'd be looking to take my profits at that point. I don't care how much higher it goes at that point. But it would not be crazy or out of question for Dogecoin to go maybe closer to $1. If Dogecoin was at 5 cents and it pumped to 45 cents in just a couple of days, how much can we not double from this price point? We'd be at 80 cents, just to double. So doubling would not be far out of the question either. With Dogecoin, there are no rules. Anything can happen. What is my prediction for Doge the end of the year? If we continue to pump like this, and we break 50 cents and then 68 cents maybe in the next couple of weeks, $1.50 would not be out of the question either. If you guys love, I post on the Patreon every day, but if you guys love Dogecoin, smash the like button. If you are bullish on Dogecoin, smash the like button. And if you guys want to get my trade alerts when to buy and sell cryptocurrency, check out the Patreon link right there. You get access to the 2,200 members in the Discord and my post every day when to buy and sell cryptocurrency, including Dogecoin. Does anybody know how many people watch Saturday Night Live? Sammy, thank you so much for the super chat. How do I accept Dogecoin for my business? Actually, if you look at about the Mavericks, how they're accepting Dogecoin, it'll tell you that there's a specific company that will allow it and that will do the processing for you. But guys, so we have a specific amount of people that watch Saturday Night Live. But will there be more people to watch Saturday Night Live this Saturday? Yes or no? What do you guys think? BitPay, I think that is actually it. Starbucks going to accept Dogecoin. But yeah, if you guys want my trade alerts for cryptos to buy Doge, sell Doge, all that stuff, check out that link right there. And also check out my, you guys can follow my Instagram and a bunch of other things. But yeah, man, we are just watching Dogecoin. And I am from Florida. But do you guys think that Dogecoin is going to be going up tonight? What do you think? Oh, the TV on the wall behind me. It's actually on a... It's on one of those stands you can pull out and everything. So it's on an angle because it's angled to a certain direction. Hey, BNL music playlist. Yes, I ended up getting your message, just got sidetracked. But I do want to order a Doge shirt from you. It's awesome. Brian, thank you so much for the super chat. So you are going to be okay if Dogecoin trades sideways tonight. I would too. I would not be mad with it. It is better than dropping, right? We'll go ahead and fix the screen and we're going to take a look at some other cryptos. See if I can get this thing here. All right, Ethereum. Looking at the 1 minute. Super bullish. That's incredible. Ethereum above 3,000. It's amazing. We were literally $2,000 like a week ago. Literally a week ago. Ooh, look at that. Dogecoin just literally popped off as we clicked away from it. Cardano. Moving up. Moving up in the world, right? BNB. The Binance Smart Chain. Moving up. XRP. Let's take a look at the 30-minute charts. It's looking pretty bullish. But yeah, this is the Ethereum 30-minute chart. I'm really surprised that cryptos have not dropped off at all. They literally are just going straight up. I'm just waiting on the edge of my seat for a big drop. So I try to have a lot of cash on the side so I could buy these drops. That's where the money is made, ladies and gentlemen. Not when you buy the top, but when you buy the drop. You buy the dip, not the rip, is my lifetime saying. Guys, go ahead and smash the like button for me. I'd appreciate it. Haley, thank you so much for the super chat. Myles, do you think Dogecoin will be ever worth as much as Ethereum? No. That'll never happen. Because there is an unlimited market cap. Scott, thank you so much. If you guys would click the like button, I'd appreciate it. Next video shirtless. It's funny. For $1,000, I will do my next video shirtless. You super chat me $1,000, I will do my next video shirtless. Myles, do you take your investment out and let the profit ride, or total liquidation? Well, you can't get liquidated if you just buy a crypto. But if I'm up in a lot of profits, I do take out a lot of money and I wait for the drops, because there's always drops. Nothing goes straight up. And at that point, I pull out. Angelica, thank you so much for this super chat. So $1 trillion would make Doge worth $10 a share. Do I do crypto mining? No. Is it smart to hold even after May 8th? I will let my Patreon members know that question. The answer to that question, that is. Claudia, thank you so much. Jesse, thank you for the super chat. What program do I use to use the chart? I use TradingView. Safe moon, any thoughts? Some people call it scam moon. And I have no thoughts on safe moon. I would not recommend it to anyone. What are the best cryptos to stake right now? I don't know. I don't stake cryptos. Ethereum would definitely be a good one. How do you super chat? On the bottom, it should be like a money symbol, and I think it'll say send super chat. Depends if you're on the computer or your phone. There should be like a little money symbol, and then it gives you the option to super chat. Yeah, auto correcting is so annoying. Have you heard about Shiba Inu? Thoughts? I've heard of the dog. I am looking at the 1 minute time frame. I'm gonna zoom us in a little bit. How about that? Is TradingView free? It is free. And if you guys want to get my private trader alerts when to buy and sell cryptos like Dogecoin or Ethereum, you guys go ahead and hit that the Patreon button. Check out the Patreon. Check out the links in my description. Caleb, welcome, man, from Atlanta, Georgia. How much for the portfolio management help? Just check out the Patreon and you will see it. You'll see all the different tiers that I offer. I can help build you guys portfolios in crypto. I do hour lessons. You guys can get my phone number through some of the portfolio management tiers. So definitely recommend checking it out, guys. I make people money every day. I post trade alerts every day on the Patreon. Yeah, it's been kind of hanging out around these levels, right? Around the 38 cent, 39, what, 40-ish. Guys, if you would hit the like button for me, I'd appreciate it. ADH, thank you so much. Navy veteran, I see that. We're going to the moon. You have the same shirt on? Nice. I do one-on-one consultations in the Patreon if you click the portfolio management tier. Yep. Charge every month. Charges once a month. Have I had much big success in the crypto market? That's a great question. I've had a lot of success. I've been investing in Bitcoin since 9,000. Ethereum since it was like $100. So I've been in it a while. I have over 6 figures in crypto. And I pretty much day traded for a living. So the portfolio management and maintenance is basically we have a one-on-one call. And that is a tier in the portfolio. And we talk on the phone and basically help to make you a good portfolio. Kind of guide you in the right direction. Anthony, thank you so much. Do I have any plans to sell? What are my plans to sell for cryptos? I do have plans, and I mentioned them in the Patreon. When to buy and sell. Try to update you guys on what to do. Kind of guide you guys in the right direction in the Patreon. Smooth hockey speed. What are your thoughts on VeChain? I've been buying VeChain forever. I love it. I personally would buy VeChain even at this level and ride it up. VeChain is going to be going to the moon. Why does it take so long for Voyager? I don't know. Sometimes it's fast, sometimes it's quick. What type of money do people need in order to start the Patreon? Honestly, you could start with 20 bucks. You could start with $100. It's all based on how much money you have and can afford to invest. Not everyone has the opportunity to invest, $100,000 like myself. And not everybody has the opportunity to invest $1 million or, 1,000. So you start off small and eventually you will get to the levels that you desire. Yvette, thank you for the great question. Honestly, I post in my Patreon when to buy and sell and how often I buy and sell. I sometimes say it in my videos, give you guys a little sneak peek. But if you guys would hit that like button for me, I'd really appreciate it. So what's the average investment that somebody starts the portfolio with you when they sign up in the highest tier Patreon? I don't know, maybe 200,000-300,000 or so. Yeah, I think if you click my link below in my description, I should have a Voyager link in there. If I don't, sorry. But it does help out, yeah. Help speed it up. I use Market Cipher and TradingView. Wet coin to the moon. Pedro, thanks for the super chat, bro. Yeah, you get the alerts on the Patreon. What is Sweatcoin, a scam? Is any of this financial advice? No. If you read the description, you will see that this is all for entertainment purposes, and this is not financial advice. And why has Coinbase not listed Dogecoin? What a great question. That is because the developers are working on getting Dogecoin basically able to work with Coinbase. There's a programming issue that they are working on. Yeah, Coinbase are haters, aren't they? Coinbase is super expensive. Brian, thank you so much, man. Oh my God, look at Ethereum. Almost $3,100. Bitcoin just going crazy right now. Dogecoin should be smashing it right now. I think because Bitcoin and all these other coins are pumping, it's kind of taken away from the ability of Dogecoin to move right now. Thoughts on Ethereum Classic? Ethereum Classic is super bullish, and I think Ethereum Classic is going to continue to make some pretty good moves. So I'd love it as an investment. Tom Grist Gaming, what indicators do you use with Market Cipher and TradingView? I use the A, B, and C, I believe. But I have the B wave turned off. Some of the indicators are turned off. Cardano's killing it. Alright guys, that is it for me. I wish you guys a good night, and I am out of here. Make sure you guys check out the Patreon. I put out my private trade alerts for cryptos every day. Keep you guys updated about cryptos. So check that out. And I will see you guys tomorrow.